Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like
Okay guys, so we're just gonna get right into this video. I have her hair braided down. I'm doing individual plaits in the front, not plaits, individual cornrows. Halfway, what do I say, halfway on her head, and then the rest of them are just doing like 3 to 5 big braids in the back, just combining everything together. I'm gonna do that all the way around her head from ear to ear. And then what I was trying to do was actually try to do this a glueless method, but it didn't work out, so we just ended up gluing it down anyway.
I need you. What you? What need you? What you? I need you. What you? I need you right now.
Okay, so after you guys see me actually just measuring the hair and cutting the extra lace off, I did go in and put in 3 layers of that glue. And then you won't see me put it down. I know I wasn't recording every single thing, but I was trying to get a little bits and pieces here and there. Also, FYI, if you're wondering why I have the bandages on my arms, because I did have a doctor's appointment, and the nurse, she couldn't get it in the one arm, so she had to go into the other arm. So FYI. Okay, so at this point, all of the glue is dried down. I did have some spaces by the ear taps where I did have to go back in and re-glue those, but pretty much everything else was down. So I'm just cutting the lace off her hair, cutting the excess lace off her hair. We did go in for our side part at first, but she didn't like the, well, it wasn't the look that she was going for. So we did go back in and do a middle part. You guys see me do the side part and the middle parts, the plucking and all of that stuff that goes with that. So like I said before, pretty much in these next couple clips or whatever, you guys are just gonna see me customizing the lace, customizing the hairline. I didn't have to pluck too much on the hairline because it was already pretty much pre-plucked, and if I would have plucked any more, it would have been bald. You can't really see from the video clips here, but in person, if I would have plucked any little bit more, it would have been bald. So I didn't go in and pluck the hairline, but I did go in and pluck her parts. Okay, and I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of mousse, and then I'm gonna use this slick stick that I got from the beauty supply store. It really helps me. I put the slick stick stuff on top, and then I go in with my, ooh, what is he called? You see him on the screen. I can't think of the name right now. But I use those, and it gets that part way flatter. And as you guys see from this angle, it looks like she has a natural parts, like it's her are coming out of her scalp.
I need you. What you, what need you, what you, I need you, what you, I need you right now, now,
I believe nothing in God is
So in this clip, this is when we went over it when I was done. She was like, it's kind of style that she was going for. She thinks that a middle part fit best for this look. So I didn't strip. I didn't like get mad or anything. I just went in, made a middle part, did the same thing. It didn't take me about 15-20 extra minutes. But you know, I give my client what my clients want. So we just went back in, do the same steps that I did for the side part, for the middle part. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more videos, let me know in the comment section down below.
I need you. What you, what need you, what you, I need you, what you, I need you right now, now, body. I want you, want you, want you, want